Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a discontinued Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and this one is a 65mm Cavalier Swiss Army knife. And it's kind of sort of a weird one because I was looking and there's not really a contemporary, like, in production version of the knife that's that close to it. And it's one of those things, like, it doesn't have as many tools as like the Mini Champ, but there's nothing that quite fits it that close. So let's take a look at this though. It's kind of an interesting knife. It's an unusual assortment of tools. You've got the traditional toothpick and tweezers, which is kind of just the norm. Now you have the usual small knife blade, and you have scissors, and the knife blade and scissors are both on the same side. The interesting stuff sort of comes in the back. It's got this is the, like, it's called like a manicure tool or cuticle pusher, which sounds kind of icky, but that's this particular tool. Now the next tool is the crap. I can't get it out. It doesn't want to come out. Here we go. The next tool is the nail file, and the nail file doesn't have the usual flattened end for the screwdriver. It's got the I think they call it like a nail cleaner. The weird one though is this one, and this is just kind of, you get a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and let's see if I can get it set. Oops, I bumped the camera. I'm gonna see if I can get it so you can see it on camera. Can y'all see that? It's got a ruler. It's hard to tell if you can actually see that with all the glare, but it's got a ruler on the screwdriver blade, and nothing on back, unfortunately. I feel like they missed there could have been something on back too, but you get the, what is that? You can do almost an inch and a half, and you can do like you can do 35 millimeters. You can do like an inch and a third or something like that. So not a massive ruler there, and it doesn't actually give you a straight edge, so that's not super helpful there either. You do get a key ring, which is kind of the usual. I don't know. It's sort of an odd little knife. Maybe it's like for people who wanted the manicure, the little 58mm manicure, but a teeny bit more. I don't know. I mean, it's interesting, and you know, it's sort of an oddball little knife, but I don't know. What do y'all think? I feel like if you're in with this kind of thing, it's like if you're going to carry something sort of where your little teeny tiny 58mm knives start to get wider and wider, I don't understand why you wouldn't just like maybe move up to a Mini Champ, or maybe a Mini Champ Light, where you pick up the light and the pin. I don't know. Anyway, what do y'all think? Is it just kind of a weird one? Do you see why they might have discontinued it? I don't know. I feel like you could do something with like one of these these little 3-layer knives. Just maybe pick something more interesting for one or two of them. You could jazz it up a little bit. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll include a link to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this if you want more information. And if you have any suggestions for something you'd like me to take a look at, let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.